Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So a few minutes back I tried to do a live session on how to trade currency options, but due to software issues I could not do the live session today. So we will see on some other day about this live session thing. So in the particular live session I will be showing how to select proper strike price for trading the currency options in a less riskier fashion. So coming to this video, so I'll be talking about currency derivatives. So many people don't involve or don't trade currency options. They think it is very risky instrument, and but the opposite is true most of the times. That is, currency options are less risky if one knows how to trade it with the proper knowledge, I can say. So here we will see my trades, or that are here. We will see few trades which I have done. I have taken USD INR April 77 strike price and closed it, and I made a profit of around 2000 rupees. And this 76 CE option, here I made a small loss of 35 rupees, but this is a paired trade. The second option which I am talking about, that is 76 strike price, it is a trade taken along with the USD INR April future, where I made a profit of 70 rupees. So these two things, that is this one and this one, these two things together I have taken at a time, but I have closed due to some reasons which I'll be talking about later. And right now I have two active positions. One is April 76.25 CE, only one lot I have taken. I have sold this particular option at a price of around 0.2, and another option what I have sold is 24th April 76.5 strike price put option. It is sold at a 0.3 rupees. Right now it is trading at 0.0950 rupees. So here in this particular trade I have made a profit of 200 rupees, and in another trade I have made a loss of 57 rupees. So if you look at these two trades together, so I have made a profit of 150 rupees combined. So the idea is to show you these two things, that is P and C options are sold together. So it is a strategy which I am not going to talk about in this particular video. So I will be giving only overview with regard to currency options. That is, these options are more beneficial and less risky if one knows well. So here we will mainly focus on this particular thing where I have made a profit of 2042 rupees. So we'll see the order book first. You can see I have bought back 77 CE strike call option 5 lots at 0.0375 rupees, and in this particular trade I have made a profit of 2000 rupees. That means on 5 lots I have made a profit of 2000 rupees. So what could be the investment for trading 5 lots? So the investment is very less. So I have used 2500 rupees approximately for trading, that is selling each option lot. So altogether I have used an capital of 12,000 rupees for trading 5 lots of April 77 CE strike option and on 12,000 rupees approximately I have made a profit of 2,000 rupees. So that is almost 15%, that is almost 15% profit. But when I have taken this trade is initialized almost 1 week back, when April 77 CE is trading around 0.45 rupees. So within 1 week I could make a profit of 2000 rupees. But what is the logic behind this trade? So let's go into the futures chart of USD INR. So this is the futures chart. Let's go into daily chart, daily time frame. You can see in this region, that is 77 region, USD INR is facing a strong resistance. So on 23rd March it came to 77.5 level, and it pulled back to 77 rupees, and on the next 2-3 days, so stock has retraced towards 75.5. again the stock has moved to 77, then it fell down to 76.5, next again 77. When the stock made a high of 77 rupees, or I shorted this 77 CE option, April CE option. So my view is that the stock will not cross 77.5 in the current expiry. So keeping that as my trade logic, so I have initialized my trading position. So if at all the stock has closed beyond 77.5, I would have spared off my trade, but it did not happen. The trade went in my favor and I have closed the trade today, that is on 24th April, and in this particular trade I have made a profit of 2000 rupees. So this video you may not be getting more details, but there is one good thing. I am going to write a blog on these trades about how I have used, taken the strike price, what strategy I have used, etc. So in the comment section, so if you are interested, you people just mention it properly so that we'll come back to you with the proper link. So this is only this, the link of the blog post will be messaged personally to the people who have commented on this video stating their interest, showing their interest. So guys, show your interest and get the link of the strategy what I have used for making this profit of 2000 rupees on a capital of 12,000 rupees approximately. So in my coming videos I'll be covering from the very basics of currency options and currency derivatives, then I will slowly scale up the things towards the strategies, selections, strike price, etc, etc. So guys, this is for today's video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments, and if you are interested in knowing more details with respect to the position and strategy, state it in the comments. So I'll be personally messaging them with a link where I'll be writing the strategy whatever I have used. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.